Racing Blue Phoenix draws for the early. Chanel Coto running by the rail. Survey says is racing in third and running by the rail. Smiling Julia running on the outside. Ninang Mill alongside is Empire Queen, and trading the group is Major Barako. As they race towards the half-mile pole, Blue Phoenix running by the rail. Smiling Julia racing in third. Chanel Coto. Then comes Survey says moving up on the outside. Empire Queen, Major Barako, and Ninang Mill rounding at the last 600. Blue Phoenix, Chanel Coto rushing up on the outside, moves up to take the lead. Chanel Coto takes the lead. Blue Phoenix, Smiling Julia, then Survey says moving up on the outside. Major Barako down on the inside, and Empire Queen, and down the stretch they come. Chanel Coto, Smiling Julia, Survey says moving up on the outside. Chanel Coto this time by about 2 lengths, and finally Chanel Coto, Survey says, Smiling Julia, Blue Phoenix, Empire Queen, Major Barako, and Ninang Mill.
Okay, crossing the wire first, entry number 3, Chanel Coto, top choice. Unofficial second placer natin, yung numero 6, Survey says. Yun, maganda pa forecast yan, tingin ko. Okay, daily double sales, 496.